Hello friends, Pick Stitch brings you lessons for tatting. Basic requirement is 10, 20 or 40 number cotton yarn, shuttle and a scissor. It's an art of making delicate patterns using yarn and a small shuttle. It works on knots and loops. We can make dollies, laces, collars or other ornamental accessories. It works on double stitch or knot and loop. As a beginner, I will suggest you to use drawstring to learn double stitch. Hold thread between your thumb and index finger. Wrap the drawstring around your fingers. Now to make first knot, insert drawstring from lower side and make a knot. Now pull the drawstring and now you can see the twist in the knot. For second knot, insert drawstring from upper side. Now pull the string to twist the knot. It completes your first double stitch. It looks like a mathematical symbol pi. Once again, insert drawstring from lower side. Pull the string to twist the knot. It makes first stitch. Now for second, insert drawstring from upper side and twist to make a double stitch. A simple method to learn double stitch, and you can see the thread. If you pull the thread, it is easily moving. If your string or yarn is not moving, it means your knot is not correct and you had made some mistake while making double stitch. So keep practicing till you get it right. Winding yarn on your shuttle. Various types of shuttles are available in market. As a beginner, if you don't have one, you can simply wind the thread around a small piece of cardboard and keep practicing till you get the double stitch right. To start working with shuttle, hold thread between your thumb and index finger, wrap the yarn over the finger. Now hold the shuttle in your right hand fingers and insert the shuttle through yarn in the gap between your index and middle finger. For first knot, insert shuttle slowly from lower side. Make first knot. In second one, insert from upper side and bring it downwards to make double stitch. The yarn is moving. Now you make another double stitch. See how to insert the shuttle to make a double stitch. After making 3 double stitch, check the yarn is moving. Now we will see how to make a picot. Make first stitch, and in second stitch keep slightly loose thread outside the ring. Picot is basically a loop of loose thread sticking out of the ring. In this way you make a picot. Now 3 double stitches, and a picot. Again 3 double stitches, make a picot and 3 double stitches. Now we have completed a small flower. Now pull the string see how it looks. Thank you for watching.